my bestie is cute. You know I'm so extra. You know I'm so extra. Period. Pooh, boo, boo, boo.
Hey guys, welcome back to the D&Nmedicalseries. It's your girl Nikki, and today I'll be telling you guys what's in my menstrual kit or my period kit. So this is what I walk around with like every day, whether I'm on my period or not. I have this kit in my bag just in case an emergency for me or an emergency for any other girl that I know and she wants something from my kit. I'll be there to like, bam, kit ready. Alright, so I'm gonna open it now. So this is my little bag that I have it in. So open it. I'm gonna show you the things that I have in here. So you know it's COVID time and all of that, and even without COVID I always carry hand sanitizer with me. So this is my hand sanitizer that I carry. So maybe if I go to the restroom, I wash my hands, I finish changing, I wash my hand, I just give myself a little hand sanitizer, and I just, you know, and I'm good to go again, fresh and ready. So the first thing is my hand sanitizer. The next thing, as I said, it's COVID time, so lately I've had some of my masks. I had 2 extra masks in my period kit, so I just put them there, you know, COVID time. So the next thing is my napkins. So I have 2, I always carry 2 sanitary napkins. These are the overnight, the long ones. 2 sanitary napkins in my period kit just in case there's an emergency for me or somebody else. So 2 sanitary napkins. The next thing is wipes. So I always carry wipes. So wipes to wipe whenever I'm changing and all of that. And yeah, wipes to even wipe my hands when I'm finished after washing, wipes or anything at all. I bring a wipes as well. And yeah, I bring tissue paper as well. Yeah, this is tissue paper. So this is about probably a good amount of the roll. So it's super thick. So whenever I'm changing and I pull off a sanitary napkin, I'd wrap it up, wrap it in this tissue, then I drop it in the sanitary bin. Or if I don't have a sanitary bin close by, I also carry a bag. That's a regular garbage or trash bag, and when I'm finished wrapping or finished changing, I just drop it in my bag, roll that up, put that in my bag in case a sanitary bin is not close by. So yeah, tissue paper. And oh yeah, I also carry an underwear at all times. So you know periods can get messy, so I bring an underwear, preferably not white, because you know periods and white, they don't go together. But I like my white panties, and this is a very good one. It's seamless, so it don't show through my clothes. So I usually take this one because in case my period is an emergency, you know the first day of your period is not really that messy. It's the upcoming days that is way messier. So it's not really messy on my white panties. So I always carry a penny as well, just in case I have to change that one and throw that one away, or just in case I just have to change that one. And the last thing I carry is a lip gloss, or a lip gloss, because you know when you're changing and you're on your period, you can be moody, but you need something to put you back in the good mood. So when I'm finished changing, I just put on a little lip gloss and I'm like, oh, I'm ready for the world again. So that's basically what's in my period kit. So let me just put them back in order. Lip gloss, hand sanitizer, tissue paper, my wipes, my sanitary napkins themselves. If you have tampons, you wear your tampons. You have your menstrual cup, you put them in just the same, girl. And put in your mat, it's COVID time. Put in your little panties, your trash bag. And I also bring some like sweet, like a one or two sweet, because some of the times when I'm on my period, I just feel like I don't want to eat anything. I just want something sweet, so I just drop some sweet in it and I'm good to go. So this is what is in my period bag. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.
Period. Pooh, boom.